Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, yet another video. So guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to make mango juice. Yes guys, you can always make your mango juice and use it for breakfast and use it like after dinner, you can just use it as a dessert. So guys, as you all can see, I have my chopping board, my knife, the spoons, I have the mango. I had kept this in the freezer like a little bit after I peeled them, and then yes, my blender is here. So guys, welcome to this channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. If you are a new visitor, you're just passing by, kindly do consider to subscribe because you're gonna learn a lot on this channel. We cook, we do things to save time in the kitchen. So these are my pieces of mango. They're just from the fridge or the freezer. So I'm gonna just be cutting this into some smaller pieces so that I can blend them. And please, if you don't know how to make the mango syrup, do watch my video that I just posted of how to make the mango syrup. So guys, these were my 3 mango. They're almost going bad, and I decided rather than throwing them away, let me cut them so that I can prepare juice for my family. So there were 3 mangoes. You can watch on my syrup video and then you will see. So I'm going to make some homemade mango juice for my family, and yeah, I hope they enjoy. You can do. So here are my mangoes, guys. A ginger, I have a piece of ginger. I'm going to peel it and add it into our mango juice. This is optional. If you don't like ginger or maybe you're allergic to it, you can just leave it aside. I also have a piece of lemon. I have 1 lemon here. I'm gonna put the lemon juice, just a little bit of lemon juice to add the flavor and the taste. But at this point, you can like smell everything. Like you can literally smell the mango. So I'm just gonna cut it into little pieces on top of the mango so that it can be easy while blending. This is just the ginger, guys. I know I should be using the chopping board, but yeah, it's full. It's full, guys. So I'm ready to blend my mangoes. So I'm going to put in the syrup. So watch out the video on how to make the syrup, the mango syrup. So I'm gonna put in. We'll add later in case it's thick because we are trying to have juice, not the smoothie. So then I will cover. At this point, if you want, you can put in your lemon or later. So I'll put my lemon later. So guys, I'm just squeezing my lemon. Make sure you don't squeeze it on top of this because the seeds can get into your juice, and when you blend your juice, then it will be sour, like it will not be sweet. Extract a little bit of lemon juice, so I'm gonna just add in, and my juice is so thick and so nice. So I added all the syrup inside, and you can see it's full. So I'm gonna just give it a last blend. So guys, this is our final mango homemade juice, guys. So I've just sieved my juice and I've served, as you all can